Tell us something about you that will shock. Like if they find out about it, they say, really?
Me teeth foul.
Damn foul thief.
Can you say you're a bad man? Ninja, you ever see a copper shot out of 1 cent? Yeah. You ever par with seats or the president? Let one cop out a bicycle bar yet? Make police boy run the film car yet? You ever rub out a serial number? When you little make gun out a lumber? You ever hide gun with machine lube yet? Bury your gun in a car tire tube yet? You ever pass a 550 or a Ruger? M4 million German? Never be a one chat out of a 1 cent. I never be a one cup out of bicycle bar. Me never be like a person out of 1 cent. But me have me go me baby like a pansy. I put the peace, respect and excitement.
Ninja is a different breed. That was on spot. Again, per usual.
You make a ninja man say in long for release. Everywhere the boy go in cause up me blood clean. Cause me everywhere where you know dance a keep. I talk about him the goat me gal underneath. Hey ninja man, you can't talk to me. Your face ever when cocky afraid the pussy. Your eye them skin up like a donkey. And your teeth them yellow like a African cherry. Who a ninja man you a idiot. Your eye them cast, you need them knock. Your nose full of bugo, your ears full of wax. You want put back in a pussy and fuck you over back. When they come a dance, I they pray my dick up. Every person come a dance. Easy. Hold it. Yeah, hear me? Me not talking about touching no more because I'm not there, see? I mean, me alone chasing business.
Yo, this is one of the craziest diss track we've never heard before. This is so flippin' disrespectful. What? Papa son?
Me a bad man. And nobody around me can disrespect no merciless. Now no artist when me go nowhere with no artist, even if me an artist in a war, in a physical warfare, none of my friends them can diss him. You understand? I mean, not take it on a level where when it comes to music, you got this artist around me. Then and they ask me whatsoever I name. Why?
Let me tell you something.
You understand me? So
we
protect
Merciless now. Send me around my place and then
Merciless, you hear me I say no man.
14
But would you defend him the way he's defending you?
Straight, the ninja man that come a Clarendon and nobody can diss him around me neither.
Me bad on you everywhere, man.
You see me I say?
Make my name in a
You
badness.
come a Clarendon and my friend them a protect
Make my name in a badness, your friend them have to bodyguard me.
The ninja man they are Clarendon, him have to call Merciless name and say,
Where?
yeah, in your place, him call me
Merciless at one time, you know, say they are Clarendon and I want to come kill you.
And say, where?
I want to come kill you in your yard.
Alright. When you tell them man, they say, really, you come see you good. You see me I say? You're well protected.
Gentlemen, alright, let's switch the argument.
No name and no Clarendon.
Boy, I'm from the crowd. You see, because one of people don't understand why we don't have a clash. So explain for me quickly, very quickly, because we're out of time. Why we have a clash? Why we have a clash?
Right now, we reach bigger than the stage of clashing. But you want now, you see when we see I go on at the business, the younger youth them bring it from a level where it a blow out of proportion where somebody going to lose them life one of these days. And when me I try to make the youth them know, so we don't want another Biggie, nor Tupac, nor none of the artists them to get gunshot in a Jamaica physically because of some like an idiot thing we arrive up with them one.
Ninja man, he always a chat sense. He might preach badness lyrically, but in chat sense. Yep.
Sarati, you're a police friend. I know so much how we are going. Like an informer about.
Over there, sir. When we are informer. You ever think it's probably because we left the ball on the side the man figure out what going on? You ever think about that?
Think him that good? No, police don't investigate. They won't intimidate. It's like you rate him.
No. I respect him.
Take bumbuckler bad man fool.
Come back with the same idiot attitude again.
Suck your mother.
Go suck you.